Hello students, today we are learning about the graphs of y is equal to a to the power of x type. Okay, see y is equal to a to the power of x or y is equal to 2 power x. Right, this is the graph we have to draw now. See how to draw. First you have to take the values of x and you will get the values of y. For different values of x you will get different values of y. Okay, so first one x y. Suppose x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. Then what is the value of y? Y is equal to 2 power x. So 2 power 0. So anything power of 0 is 1. So when x is equal to 0, the value of y is 1. Next, x is equal to 1. What is the value of y? 2 power 1 is 2. Next, 2, x is equal to 2. 2 power 2 is equal to 4. Next one, x is equal to 3. 2 power 3 is equal to 8. Next one, x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. So y is equal to 2 power minus 1. So this 2 power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. Next one, y is equal to 2 power minus 2. So that means x is equal to minus 2 here. X is equal to minus 2. Then y is equal to 2 power minus 2. That is 1 by 2 square. That is equal to 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 is equal to 0.25. 0.25. Okay. Now you take the graph. So x-axis, y-axis, negative x-axis and negative y-axis. So this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. Next here you have different values of x and y in different quadrants. So plus comma plus. Next to x comma y minus plus, x comma y minus minus, x comma y plus minus. Okay, these are the symbols of x and y in different quadrants. Next you take the values of x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. Next minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. Next minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. Here this is nothing but origin. So origin is denoted by the letter O. Okay. Now you take the values of x and y here. So first x is equal to 0, then what is the value of y? 1. So x is equal to 0 here and y is equal to 1 here. Okay. So this is nothing but 0 comma 1. Okay. 0 comma 1. Next x1 y2. x1 y2. 1 comma 2. x2 y4. x2 y4. 2 comma 4. x3 y8. x3 y8. 3 comma 8. Next one, x minus 1 y 0.5. X is minus 1 y 0.5. It lies in between 0 and 1. So here 0 comma minus 1 comma 0.5. Next one, minus 2, x minus 2 y 0.25. So 0.25 lies between this 0.5 and 0 here. So this is how much? Here minus 2 comma 0.5. Okay. So if you take the different values of x, here the value is in decreasing order. So which value is in decreasing order? X value, negative x axis value is decreasing order. Okay, but it never touches the x axis. Suppose if you join all the points, what we get? See here. Okay, and next one, it goes like this, but this graph never touches the x axis. Okay, so y is equal to 2 power x, or y is equal to 4 power x, or y is equal to 8 power x, and so on. So different values of x and different values of y. So the graph never touches the x axis. Okay, so the graph never touches the x axis. Okay, right? Okay children, next one more graph, that is y is equal to 3 power x graph. Okay, now you take the values of x, then you will get the values of y. X, y, then first x is equal to 0, 3 power 0 is equal to 1, anything power of 0 is 1. Next to 3 power 1, that is x is equal to 1, 3 power 1 is equal to 3. Next one, 2, 3 power 2, 9. Next, 3, 3 cube, 27. Okay, that is 27 here. Next one, minus 1. X is equal to minus 1, that is 3 to the power of minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. So that is equal to 1 by 3 is 0.3 I think. So 3.0, 3 3s are 9, 1 remainder, 0, 3 3s are right. So this is equal to 0.3. Okay, next one, 3 power minus 2, x is equal to 0.3. Next one, minus 2, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 9. So 1 by 9 is 9, 0, 9 ones are 9, 1 remainder, 0, 9 ones are 9. So that is 0.1 again. Okay, now next one, take the graph so origin 0 comma 0, x axis, y axis, negative x axis, negative y axis. So quadrant 1 plus comma plus, quadrant 2 plus comma minus, quadrant 3 minus comma minus, quadrant 4 plus comma minus. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. And next minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. Now I am taking the y axis as 3 units. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and so on. Next, minus 3, minus 6, minus 9, minus 12 and so on. Okay. Now first x is equal to 0, then value of y. So x is equal to 0, value of y is maybe here. Okay. So that is 0 comma 1. Next x1 y3, x1 y3, 1 comma 3. Next x2 y9, x2 y9, 2 comma 9. 327, 327 it is somewhere. Okay. Next x is equal to minus 1, 0.3. X is equal to minus 1, it is 0.3. It is approximately nearer to the x axis. So that is minus 1 comma 0.3. Okay. Next one, minus 2, 0.1. So minus 2, 0.1. So it never touches the x-axis. So minus 2 comma 0.1. Okay. Now join all these points. Okay. So like this you will get the graph, and this graph never touches the x-axis. Okay. This graph y is equal to 3 power x, or y is equal to 2 power x, or y is equal to 4 power x, whatever it may be. If the graph is in the form of y is equal to a to the power of x, never touches the x-axis. Okay. Right. Now using this one, you try to do y is equal to 2, 3 completed, 4 to the power of x, and y is equal to 5 to the power of x. You do as the homework. Okay, try to do these two problems as the homework. Okay children, next topic is laws of logarithms. Okay, suppose in laws of exponents we know that a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n, right? Next one, a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Okay, here into a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. That means here bases are equal, we are adding the powers. Okay, suppose in the same way if we have to take in logarithms log a into b. Okay, log a into b can be written as log a plus log b. Okay, product is here, product becomes sum. In the same way here also the product becomes sum. Okay, next one, division coefficient, a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. In the same way we can write the logarithmic form as log of a by b. Okay, division a to the power of m by a to the power of n, here a by b can be written as here a to the power of m minus n, and this can be written as log a minus log b. Okay, so log a into b is equal to log a plus log b, log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Suppose okay, here we written log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. Okay, in the same way suppose I am writing log of a1 into a2 into a3 into a4 into a5 into a6 into and so on am. Okay, can be written as log a1 plus log a2 plus log a3 plus log a4 plus and so on log am. Okay, let us suppose if a1 into a2 into a3, sorry, a1 is equal to a2 is equal to a3 is equal to a4 is equal to and so on am is equal to a, then this form becomes log of a into a into a into a into and so on m times is equal to log a plus log a plus log a plus log a plus and so on m times. Okay, m times. Then this a into a into a into a and so on m times can be written as log a to the power of m is equal to log a plus log a plus log a plus log a plus and so on how many times? M times. So these can be written as log a into m times. Okay, children, m times. And this can be written as log a to the power of m can be written as log a to the power of m can be written as m times log a. So that is m log a. Okay, children, understood this one? So log a to the power of m is equal to m log a. Now see the three formulas here. Log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. Log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. And log a to the power of m is equal to m log a. So these are from the exponents. Okay. Next one. We know that a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Okay. A to the power of 0 is equal to 1. That is anything power of 0 is equal to 1. So this is the exponential form. This is the exponential form. What is its logarithmic form? Logarithmic form is log 1 base a is equal to 0. Okay. That means from this we can write the logarithm of unity to any non-zero base is 0. Okay, so the logarithm of unity to any non-zero base is 0. Next one, in the same way you take another one, a to the power of 1 is equal to a. So this is also the exponential form. Its logarithmic form is log a base a is equal to 1. Okay, log a base a is equal to 1. Then the logarithm of a value to the same base is 1. Okay, or unity. Okay, the logarithm of any value or the logarithm of a non-zero value. The logarithm of a non-zero value to the same base is 1 or unity. Okay, so for example, log 1 here, example, log 1 base 2 is equal to how much? Log 1 base a is equal to 0. So log 1 base 2 is equal to 0. Log 1 base 100 is equal to 0. Okay. For this, the example, log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. Second one, log 3 base 3 is equal to 1. Third one, log 100 base 100 is equal to 1. Okay. Fourth one, log p base p is equal to 1. Okay. Let us take a general equation a to the power of x is equal to n. Okay. Suppose a to the power of x is equal to n. This is the exponential form. What is its logarithmic form? Log n base a is equal to x. Okay. A to the power of x is equal to n. Then its logarithmic form is log n base a is equal to x. Okay. Now a to the power of here x is equal to how much? Log n base a. Okay. instead of this x you write log n base a. That means a to the power of log n base a is equal to how much? N. Okay. So in general we can write that a to the power of log n base a is equal to n. Okay, this is the formula we have to apply in the next coming problems. Okay, next one. For example, 2 to the power of log 3 base 2 is equal to how much? How much? 3, right. Okay, 2 to the power of log 3 base 2 is equal to 3. 5 to the power of log 7 base 5 is equal to 7. Okay, so like this we can do some more problems. And up to now what we learned, the logarithmic formulas. Log AB is equal to log A plus log B. Okay, log A by B is equal to log A minus log B. Log A to the power of m is equal to m log A. Next one, log A base A is equal to 1. Next one, log 1 base A is equal to 0. Next, A to the power of log n base A is equal to n. Okay. Okay children, let us solve some problems according to the formulas. Okay, so first one, find the values of the following. First one, log 512 base 2. Okay, log 512. So here 512 can be written as 2 2s are 2 5s are 2 6s are 2 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 8s are 2 6s are 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are. Okay, so this can be written as 2 into 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 2. That means how many 2's are there here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so this can be written as 2 to the power of 9. So here this log 512 base 2 can be written as log 2 to the power of 9 base 2. Okay, now this log 2 to the power of 9 base 2 is in the form of log a to the power of m base x. Okay, log a to the power of m base x is equal to m log a base x. Okay, log a to the power of m base x is equal to m log a base x. So this can be written as 9 log 2 base 2. Okay, 9 log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 is in the form of log a base a is equal to 1. Okay, since log a base a is equal to 1. Now this can be written as 9 into 1. So that is equal to 9. Okay children. Okay children, next question. Log 49 base 343. Log 49 base 343. So this can be written as log 49 can be written as 7 whole square. Okay, base 343. Next step, log 7 can be written as or otherwise we can write this one as log a to the power of m log a to the power of m is equal to m log a. Okay, so using this identity I can write this one as 2 log 7 base 343. Okay, next one 2 into, I am writing this 7 as log 7 cube whole to the power of 1 by 3. Okay, so 7 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. This 3 gets cancelled, you get 7 again. Okay, 343. Next one, again this is in the form of log a power 1 by 3. That means log a to the power of m. So m log a. So 2 into 1 by 3 into log 7 cube is the remainder. So that 7 cube is 343 base 343. Okay. Now this is equal to log 343 base 343 is in the form of log a base a. Okay. Log a base a, that is equal to 1. Now 2 into 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. Log 343 base 343 is 1. So 2 by 3 into 1 is 2 by 3. Okay. Okay, there is another method to find the value of log 49 base 343 is, that is log 49 base 343 is equal to, this is log a base b can be written as log a by log b also. Okay, log a base b can be written as log a by log b. So using this identity I can write this one as log 49 by log 343. Okay, now log 49 can be written as log 7 square by log 7 cube. Now each term, both numerator and denominator, is in the form of log a to the power of m. So log a to the power of m is m log a. So this is equal to 2 log 7 by 3 log 7. Okay, so log 7 gets cancelled. So remainder is 2 by 3. Like this we can find the value of log 49 base 343. Next question, log 256 by 81. Okay, now this is in the form of log a by b. Okay, is equal to log a minus log b. Okay, now this can be written as log 256 minus log 81. 256 can be written as 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 eights are. Next 2 6 are, 2 4s are. Next 2 3s are, 2 twos are. Next 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 twos are. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is equal to 2 to the power of 8. Next 81. 3 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are. So this is equal to 3 to the power of 4. Okay. Now log 256 can be written as 2 to the power of 8 minus 81 can be written as 3 to the power of 4. Okay. Now this is in the form of log a to the power of m. That is log a to the power of m is m log a. So that is 8 log 2 minus 4 log 3. We can leave or otherwise you take out 4 is the common factor, then it becomes 2 log 2 minus log 3. Okay, this is the final value. Next one, find the value of log a cube b to the power of 4 by c to the power of 5 d to the power of 6. Okay, find the value of log a cube b to the power of 4 c to the power of 5 d to the power of 6. Now this can be written as, this is in the form of log a by b. Okay, so log a minus log b. Now this can be written as log a cube b to the power of 4 minus log c to the power of 5 d to the power of 6. Okay, next one, each term is in the form of log ab. Log ab is equal to log a plus log b. Okay, now log, this can be written as log a cube plus log b to the power of 4. This is the first one, minus log c to the power of 5 plus log d to the power of 6. Next, again each term is in the form of log a to the power of m is equal to m log a. Okay, now this can be written as 3 log a plus 4 log b minus 5 log c plus 6 log d. Okay, next step, you multiply this term with minus symbol. Then what we get? 3 log a plus 4 log b minus 5 log c minus 6 log d. Okay, understood children? Next, I'll give some problems as the homework. Try to do those problems. First one, log 1024 base 2. Second one, log 625 by 32. Third one, log a to the power of 4, b to the power of 5, c to the power of 6, d to the power of 7 by a to the power x to the power of 7. Okay, you try to do these three problems as the homework. Thank you.